Alright, what's up? I'm Trent, and in this video I want to talk to you about LumeCubes. So there's two different kinds of LumeCubes. This is, I think they just call this a LumeCube, and this is the LumeCube Air. The differences between these two, obviously besides the size. The LumeCube Original is going to have a longer battery life, and it is brighter than the LumeCube Air. However, I really like the LumeCube Air because I think it's a little bit more versatile. When you get a LumeCube Air, it comes in this box, and if you open it up, it comes with not only the LumeCube, but it comes with two diffusion bulbs. And those diffusion bulbs are silicone, so you can just throw them into your backpack. They'll just crunch right up. And what this does is it fits snug on the front of the LumeCube Air. I've tried this on the LumeCube Original, and the LumeCube Original is just a little bit too big, so it won't stick on there. Having the silicone on the LumeCube Air makes for a really, really nice soft light for an on-camera lighting solution. It comes in this white. It also comes in a tungsten orangish color, depending on what kind of color balance you want the light to have. This LumeCube Air has a magnet on the back. That means that this light will stick to anything made of metal. Super helpful. The best thing I've ever done with the LumeCube Air was put the LumeCube Air on my tailgate after I opened it and use it as a light to see in my trunk. That has been one of my biggest problems with my car. I have a Subaru Crosstrek, and this light just helps seeing everything in my trunk. I can just magnetize the light up on the top of the hitch gate, and I'm good to go. Both of these are Bluetooth enabled. That means that you can connect multiple of these up to your phone and control them all through an app. That app allows you to adjust the brightness, check battery levels, use them as strobes for photos so they don't need to be on all the time. Along with just using these as a on-camera solution, LumeCube has this, which you can get at Best Buy. It is a DJI Mavic, and they now have a DJI Mavic 2 LumeCube setup. So I will show you really quick what is in here. So there's space to put two LumeCubes, so you can keep your two LumeCubes in here, and it comes with supports. These supports go onto your DJI Mavic. This one would be on my left, and so I would put that on the drone, and there's a tripod screw right here. And so find the tripod screw on the LumeCube, screw it in, and you can see one is higher than the other, so that fits on like so. I'll show you how it goes on right here. One locks on right there, this part snaps on right here, and voila, you've got a LumeCube mounted to your drone. And then you can put one on the other side as well, and you can point them straight down. You can point them ahead, down a little bit. Lots of different uses for this. This is super fun. So the other night I filmed my friend Tyler with the drone with the lights on it, but I also put this LumeCube Air onto a GoPro head mount with a 1/4-20 screw. So that just screws on right here, and he said he really even enjoyed skating just with the head mount, let alone the drone and the lights. But here's a fun little video I made, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video on the LumeCubes. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, subscribe for more. And in the meantime, go check out LumeCube and all their products. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.